students. I hope you all are keeping fine. So today we are going to begin a new chapter in your English literature book. Chapter 10, Running Away. Okay, written by John Dryden. Before we could start this chapter, or before I could explain to you the summary of this chapter, first of all, let's watch a small video clip in order to understand this chapter well.
So let's start the video. Running away. When Martians arrive on Earth, okay, most people believe that they have only come to visit our planet. But the Martians flash a green light, burning trees and killing people, okay, Martians. The narrator quickly takes his family to a safety place, okay. He, however, decides to return as he is confident. Okay, that the Martians will be easily defeated by the army. I drove the cart steadily, okay. When suddenly, what happens? A bright green light up the road around me, and a line of green fire lit up the field to my feet. It was the third Martian, okay. Before I had time to think, rain, thunder and lightning burst upon us. Rain, thunder and lightning burst upon us, okay. My terrified horses raced down the hill. As I noticed something huge that was moving down the quickly in the opposite direction, okay. By a lightning flash, I saw the thing clear and bright. An enormous troop was stepping out and smashing them, okay. I was in shock as another enormous troop appeared from the woods, bending the trees to clear its way. You can see in the picture, okay. It was rushing straight towards me. I panicked. I desperately pulled my horse's head to the right, okay, but my cart topped over on its side and I fell. I hid under a bush. My horse ran away, okay. The enormous machine was walking uphill. It had not noticed me. I ran towards the woods, okay, stumbling through the wilderness in the darkness. I entered my house trembling violently. I went to my study and looked out through my windows, okay. The thunderstorm had passed. The whole countryside was ablaze, okay. I couldn't see the tower of the Oriental College or even the trees around it. This fairy course had once been my little world, okay. What are they? He's asking. I wonder, are they intelligent machines? Or does a Martian sit inside its script, controlling it like a robot? Suddenly I saw a soldier climbing down my garden fence. The soldier was a part of the army sent to talk to the Martians, okay. But the Martians had flashed that green light and killed everyone with the green light, okay. The soldiers had lain still till the troopers left. From my window, we could see the 3 tripos, examine the damage they had done. You see.